Today's question is, what are the major beliefs of Muslims? I would like to present 7 points today. Number 1, the 6 major beliefs in Islam are understood by the majority of the Sunni Muslims are: believe in Allah, believe in angels, believe in Allah's prophet and the messengers, believe in Allah's revelation in the form of the Holy Scripture given to the prophets such as the Qur'an, the Torah and the Injil, believe in the hereafter, the life to follow after the day of judgment, on which the people will be held accountable for their action and the deed, and they will be compensated accordingly in the hereafter. Lastly, believe in Allah's divine will and believe in Allah's knowledge. Allah has a knowledge what will happen, what is happening, and what had happened. Allah has no time bar. He can see past, present, future. Thank you.